Hi boys and girls, how are you? So for today's art class, we are going to be making a warm color versus cool color bird activity, okay? Now, a few weeks ago, we learned that we have three colors which form all colors, right? We have the color red, we have the color blue, and we have the color yellow. These are called the primary colors. So these are the colors that all other colors come from red, blue, and yellow. Now, when we mix these together, so when we mix the blue and the red, you get purple. When you mix the blue and the yellow, you get green. And when you mix red and yellow, you get orange, right? So these are the primary and the secondary colors. So green, orange, and purple, are called secondary colors. So we have the primary colors, the first colors, the ones that all other colors come from, and then we have the secondary colors, the second set of colors that come from these. Now, we can actually separate these 6 colors into 2 categories. So the one category is the cold color category, and the other is the warm color category. And the way we divide them into those categories is like this. So we have yellow, red, and orange as warm, and we have blue, purple, and green as our cool colors, okay? When you think of yellow, orange, and red, you think of fire, right? So fire is considered warm or hot, so these are the warm colors. And when you think of blues, purples, and greens, you think of cold colors, right? Like snow, or when it rains, it gets to be these kinds of colors. So these are considered cold colors or cool colors. So we have our warm and we have our cool colors, okay? So today what we will be making is this bird. We want to use the cool colors versus the cold colors. And this is how we're going to do it. So we will be painting. We have been doing that a lot. So get yourself some water, paintbrush, messy mat, and your watercolor paints, okay? The first thing though that we need to do is we need to finish our bird. So this, I already gave the outline. Now all you need to do is add the rest of the pieces of the bird, and that would be the beak, right? The tail, and the wing. Okay, now for the legs, this bird, as you see, it's a really long paper. You want to go into the side of the bird, and you want to give it some sort of leg, whatever kind you want. Okay, like that. You do need to have two sets of legs. And then at the end, we're going to do those sticks like that. Those are going to be the feet of the bird. Okay, I cut my paper so that it would fit in the frame because otherwise it wouldn't. Let me see if I can get this camera on top of something to get the full thing. Let's see, does that show everything? Yes. Okay, got my computer working again. Okay, so we're going to use the paints, right? So we said that red, orange, and yellow, these 3 are considered warm, and these are together in the paint palette. And then we have green, blue, and purple together. Okay, we're not going to use the brown or the black. Okay, these 2 colors have a different name to them. Okay, but we're just going to use these 6. So, oh, we also need to draw the eye. I forgot about the eye, didn't I? So go ahead and put an eye on your little birdie. There you go. So after you have that, I'm going to start with the warm colors, okay? You can choose whether you want your warm colors outside or inside. You pick. I'm going to pick the warm colors outside. So that means that I'm going to take my red. I'm going to wake up my red like that, and I'm just going to paint the background. Okay, like that. Get some orange. You want to mix them up. So make sure the orange and the red touch. You can do yellow. Just make sure you don't go inside the bird. Okay. So mix up the colors in your paper. So it's okay if they touch. Just make sure they don't go inside your birdie. Okay. Okay, let's see, what's that? You want to go all around, so the entire background. You can paint over the legs too. Okay. Keep mixing those 3 colors on your paper, and make sure that when you change colors you are cleaning your brush, so you are putting it inside the water and moving it around, because if you mix them in your paint tray, then your colors are going to end up all different the next time you try to use them. So okay. Let me turn it over so I can see where I'm going. Right. Again, it's up to you whether you want your warm colors on the inside of your bird or on the outside. Okay, you can do it like me and do warm outside, or you might want to do them inside your birdie. Like that. Okay, so here's my bird. The background is all done with my warm colors. So now I'm going to do the inside with my cool colors. Okay, so I'm going to use green, blue, and purple. So I think I'm going to do my birdie with blue. Okay, so I'm going to choose blue, and then maybe some of the details will be in green. And it's okay if you mix them up. Okay, but again, make sure that you stay inside your birdie with the cool colors. Okay. Just like that. Okay, and that is today's activity. What this does is that whenever you do warm colors versus cool colors, it really brings attention to whatever your image is. Doesn't matter whether you have the warm on the inside, the outside, and the cool on the outside. It just creates this cool effect that allows your masterpiece or whatever you did to stand out. Okay, now save this one. This one you will turn in next time we meet. I'm going to put it in your the art wall that we have outside. Okay, so save this artwork. You will get to bring it in. It's a really long piece. I know it might take you a while to paint, but go ahead and try it. I know you can. Okay, have fun painting, and I will see you later. Bye bye.